Hey guys, it's me and KB, and since I was a little kid, hey guys, it's me KB, and I have one thing to say to you. It's like since I was a little kid, I really want to be a singer, and I think you could help me with it. And if you want to help me or support me, um, yeah. Good things for me. Help say give me like something to say how I should do it. Yeah, like that, you know. And now I'm gonna sing for you. Wait a minute. Let's go. Okay, session level. No, negative chance you never ever know. Sometimes I'm losing and I'm gonna know. Well, children in the park and we pop a chance about me. I don't know about you, but I like to be anything you want. Oh girl, let me touch you to be boyfriend. I never let you go. No, no, my own girl. You never be alone. And I could be a gentleman, treat you how you want. That if I was your boyfriend, I never let you go. Never let go. You like get something you want. I could be a boss like Jeff, but cause like we never fight. So no, I can make jump right and send and smoke. Girl, you be my girl, but you could be my girl. Don't tell me you work that. You work that. Oh, you work that. Like, see, everything you want. Hey girl, let me talk to you, boyfriend. I never let you go. Now you are my own girl. You never be alone. You have to be a gentleman. Did you have one? Said if I was your boyfriend, I never let you go. Never let you go. Yeah, if you think that was good, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Yeah.